Welcome to this creative yoga flow. Take a comfortable seat, let your eyes close gently, begin with the deep breaths to arrive into your body and into the present moment. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground. With every exhale, release any tension or distractions. Start with gentle neck circles, moving slowly. Then switch directions. Warm up the wrists, do a couple of circles. Inhale, reach your arms up, bring your left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you, and twist to the right, gaze gently over your back shoulder. Come back to center and switch sides. Inhale, reach both arms up, exhale, bring your hands down. Come to a comfortable seat for seated cat-cows. Inhale, arch the spine, open the chest. Exhale, round and draw the belly in. Do a few rounds at your own pace. Now come back to all fours, lower the chest down between the hands for melting heart pose. Let your heart melt toward the ground, hips tucked over knees. Tuck your toes and press back to downward dog. Walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, rise all the way up, hands to heart. Let's move into a sun salutation. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or jump back to plank. Lower through chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Step the left foot forward, rise into warrior one. Open into warrior two. Feel strong and steady. Reverse your warrior, reach the left arm up and back. Place both hands to the mat. Lift the left leg back into three-legged dog, float chaturanga, upward dog, and downward dog. Now step the left foot forward. Turn to the side. Legs wide, interlace your hands behind you and fall into a wide-legged forward fold. Turn toward the right leg and slowly lower into sleeping pigeon pose. From pigeon, press into your hands and lift into wild thing. Open the chest. Step the right foot forward and come into warrior 1. Then move through warrior 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. And back to the mat. Lift the right leg into three-legged dog and chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, and exhale, downward dog. Now step into wide-legged forward fold. Put your right hand between your feet. Reach your left hand up. Look toward the left hand. And switch hands. Turn towards your left leg this time. And warrior into sleeping pigeon. Downward dog. Lift into wild thing. Then gently come down to your mat, downward dog. Come onto your back, preparing for shoulder stand. Support your lower back, legs reaching toward the sky. Breathe, stay here for a few moments. Gently lower down and transition into your final rest, Shavasana. Allow your body to completely relax. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms facing up. Let your feet fall open naturally. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your whole body soften with that breath. There's nothing to do right now. No need to move, no need to think. This is your time to rest and absorb the benefits of your practice. Let your breath be natural, easy, and effortless. Notice how your body feels. Notice the space you've created in your body and in your mind. Feel supported by the ground beneath you. Feel the sense of calm spreading through your entire body. Stay here a little longer, enjoying this stillness. When you're ready to come back, gently begin to move your fingers, your toes. Take a full body stretch. Raise yourself up to a seated position. Bring your hands to your heart. Notice how you feel now compared to when you began. Thank yourself for showing up. Namaste.